Welcome students, I hope you all are fine. In this video, I am going to tell you how you are going to solve your biology summer task. In week number 1, you have to open this link. This link is really informative. You are going to get different informations and the videos regarding different topics. Then you have to learn all the topics of chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology. Then you have to solve the worksheet number 1. In worksheet number 1, you have to solve these MCQs with the help of chapter number 1. Then you have to write the description of these carriers with the help of the chapter number 1. I'm going to tell you the pages. You can take help from page number 3, page number 4 and page number 5. You will be able to write the descriptions of these carriers: biotechnology, horticulture, medicine, surgery, animal husbandry. Then you are going to open this link, watch the video in the given link and give the answers of the following questions. After watching the video, you will be able to answer these questions. Question number 1, what are the two factors of environment and what are the biomolecules? In week number 2, you have to do this activity, which is draw the label diagram of plant cell and the animal cell on your biology notebook. You can take help from any book or you can take help from the internet as well. Then you have to solve the worksheet number 2. In worksheet number 2, you have to write the levels, examples of these levels. For example, subatomic level. The example of subatomic level is electron, proton or the neutron. You can take the help from these images as well. For example, this is the cell level, cell. This is the individual. This is the organ system, organ system, and this is organ, and so on. Then you have to write the contributions of these scientists. Muslims, these are the Muslim scientists: Jabir bin Hayyan, Abu Nasr al-Farabi, Abu Bakr al-Razi. The contribution of Jabir bin Hayyan, it is already mentioned in your book. The contribution of Jabir bin Hayyan, it is mentioned on your book, page number 7 here. And then you have to take help from the internet or any book. You can write the contribution of Abu Nasr al-Farabi and Abu Bakr al-Razi, and you are supposed to write their contributions here. Then in week number 3, you have to read chapter number 2, solving a biological problem keenly. You have to understand the chapter. If you are going to face any sort of difficulty, you should write the questions on the top of that page. After the vacation, you can ask the questions from the teacher. Then you have to learn all the topics of chapter number 2. Then write down the observations made by A.F.A. King in your biology notebook. You can check the observations from your bio book, page number 23, page number 24, page number 25 till page number 26. The contribution of A.F.A. King, it is mentioned on those pages. Then you will solve the worksheet number 3, which is here. Worksheet number 3, you have to label the given organ systems, and then you have to write the organs which are involved in these organ systems. For example, this is the digestive system. You have to write here digestive system, and the organs which are involved in it, you have to write what is this, what is this, what is this. You have to write all the names here. Then in question number 2, you have to draw the given organelles and write their functions. You have to write the function of Golgi apparatus here and draw the diagram of Golgi apparatus here. Then function of mitochondria here and draw the diagram of mitochondria here. You can take help from your biology book. Then in week number 4, you have to visit the given link, and then you will be able to solve the worksheet number 4. After going to that link, you are going to find the different information. Then you will be able to solve the worksheet number 4, which is here. These are the MCQs. And then question number 2, you have to write the names of the senses which are used to observe the things. For example, this is the sense of sight, this is the sense of smell, and you have to write the senses in these respective boxes. And then write observation about the COVID-19. You have to write the current situation, the current situation of the coronavirus in these days. You have to write here. You can write the symptoms of this virus. You can write the precautionary measures which we can use to prevent from this virus. Then in week number 5, you have to draw the diagram of liver, large intestine and the kidney. You have to draw the labeled diagram of these organs. Then how you can say that man has always been a biologist? After reading chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, you will be able to answer this question, how human beings are the biologists. And then in week number 6, you have to solve worksheet number 5 and worksheet number 6. In worksheet number 5, this is a fun activity. These are the fun riddles basically. These are the riddles and you have to find the answers, and then you can find answers from here as well. Like in riddle number 1, what can eat a lot of iron without getting sick? Just think about it. These are the fun riddles. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. These are the fun riddles. You have to answer these riddles, and then you can find the answers from this puzzle as well. And in worksheet number 6, you have to answer all these MCQs. You can take help from the chapter number 1, which is Introduction to the Biology. These are the 30 MCQs from the chapter number 1. So you will be able to answer all these MCQs with the help of chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology. Thank you so much.